In our Funding in Focus feature, when seeking funding from government contracts, it's important to understand that the entire process is online. And so beyond profile creation, online registration to bid on government contracts requires specific legal, tax, and financial documents. It is important that businesses reach out for help to audit their readiness, identify missing requirements, and prepare complete submissions that withstand compliance checks. As an example, our client Trevon, who operates a solar business, used do-it-yourself techniques to upload bid documents, which led to errors. Professional reviews ensured clean submissions and fewer rejections of Trevon's bid for government contracts.